The student tries to find the area of a sector with radius 5 and an angle of 40 degrees using this working. Explain the error that they've made. Well, the half r squared theta formula is only valid when we've got the angle in radians. So we can't just times by 40 degrees. Just going to derive the formula. So if we have in general theta, then we get pi r squared for the whole circle. But then the fraction of the circle that we have, well, the whole amount round the circle is going to be 2 pi, because we're working in radians. And I've got theta degrees, so this is what it becomes. The fraction of the circle times pi r squared. The pi's cancel, leaving us a half r squared theta. So make sure you can derive that when you understand it. And similar for the arc length, ends up being just r theta. So write out a correct solution. I just need to change 40 degrees into radians. And I can do that by times by the scale factor, pi over 180. Because 2 pi radians, use a little c to indicate radians, is 360 degrees. And we can divide by 2. And that basically gives you your scale factor. If you want to know what 1 degree is, we can divide by 180. So pi over 180. So then if I want 40 degrees, I just times by that scale factor, pi over 180. And that gives me 40 pi over 180, which actually ends up being 2/9 pi. And therefore the area will be a half times 5 squared times 2/9 pi, which ends up being 25, because the half and the 2 cancel, 25 over 9 pi. Absolutely fine to leave it exact. If you want to write it to 3 significant figures, it becomes 8.73 centimeters squared.